Hey guys, it's part 2 of the air conditioning video. So yeah. This is the downstairs unit. The Guardian. By the way, here's the compressor and the other one. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's it. Alright. Oh, it just came on. That's what it sounds like right after it comes on. Alright, now we'll go check out the downstairs thermostat. It's starting to rain again. It's nice and dreary out there today, but humid and hot and warm enough for the AC to come on. So, here we go. Oh, why am I going upstairs? I have no idea. But anyway, this little thermostat here is located right here. See? You can see the filter up there. And here's the thermostat itself, right here. It's just like the other one. There's an Airtron. Here's what you turn it up and down with. And there's the fixtures, auto and on. There's your time, warmer, cooler, ahead, back, run program, hold temperature, all that kind of stuff. And there's one of the air vents. There's another one over there if you can see it. Alright, let's go get one last look at the this unit out here. It's a bigger type unit, and it makes more racket than the other one. That one is our new replaced unit. Still running. Alright, that's it for this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. And that's it. Bye.